Why automate file renaming?
Manually renaming files can be time-consuming and repetitive. Automating this process saves you time and ensures consistent naming patterns. Python, a popular programming language, offers easy solutions for bulk file renaming on your computer. Whether you need to organize photos, music, or documents, learning this skill can make managing your files faster and more efficient.
What you need to get started.
To automate file renaming, all you need is Python installed on your computer. Python comes pre-installed on many systems, or you can download it for free. You'll also need a folder of files you want to rename. No advanced programming skills are required. The examples use beginner-friendly code you can copy, modify, and run with ease.
How Python renames files.
Python uses the built-in OS module to interact with files and folders. This module lets your script list files, access their names, and apply changes. You can loop through all files in a folder, modify each file name as needed, and save the updates. This approach works on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, making it a versatile tool for any user.
Sample Python script for bulk renaming.
This is a simple Python script to rename all files in a folder. Import the OS module, specify your folder path, and use a for loop to rename each file. For example, you can add numbers, change extensions, or replace words in file names. This process is efficient and customizable for different renaming tasks.
Tips and best practices.
Before running your script, make backup copies of your files to avoid accidental loss. Test with a small number of files first. Always double-check your new file names to ensure accuracy. With practice, you can adjust your Python script for various renaming needs, making your file management effortless and organized.